In-depth comparison, iPhone 17 Pro versus Fujifilm XS20. The iPhone 17 Pro and Fujifilm XS20 represent two very different approaches to capturing images and video in 2.5. The iPhone 17 Pro, Apple's latest flagship smartphone released in September 2025, is a versatile all-in-one device that excels in computational photography, seamless integration with daily life, and hybrid use cases. In contrast, the Fujifilm XS20, a mid-range APS-C mirrorless camera launched in 2023, is a dedicated photography and videography tool designed for enthusiasts who prioritize creative control, interchangeable lenses, and film-like aesthetics. While the iPhone is a pocketable powerhouse for casual and pro-level mobile shooting, the XS20 shines as a real camera for those seeking deeper artistic expression. This comparison breaks down key categories based on official specs, hands-on reviews, and performance data. Note that the iPhone 17 Pro starts at $1,009 for 256 GB storage, while the XS20 body-only retails for $1,000, often bundled with lenses for $1,300 to $1,000 refined. Prices can vary with promotions, but both sit in the premium enthusiast range. I'll conclude with a recommendation tailored to user needs. 1. Design and build. iPhone 17 Pro features a new aluminum unibody frame, ditching titanium for better heat dissipation and lightness at 200 grams for the 6.3-inch model. It's IP68 water and dust resistant, with a rectangular camera plateau bump on the back for the triple lens array. Dimensions: R147.5, 71.6, while 8.2 5 millimeters. The ceramic shield 2 glass, front and back, offers 3x better scratch resistance. Colors include cosmic orange, silver, and deep blue. It's incredibly pocketable, but can feel slippery without a case. The new anti-reflective matte display coating reduces glare. Fujifilm XS20, DSLR-style body with a deep ergonomic grip. Magnesium alloy construction, A491G body only. Weather-sealed but not fully rugged. No IP rating. Dimensions: 127.7 x 85.1 x 65.4 millimeter. It has a tilting 3-inch touchscreen and a small electronic viewfinder. EVF 2.36 dots, 0.62x magnification. The design prioritizes handling for extended shoots with customizable dials and buttons, but it's bulkier and requires a bag for portability. iPhone 17 Pro. The OLED display is vibrant, color accurate, and Dolby Vision support, and glare resistant, making it ideal for reviewing shots on the go. Always on keeps key info visible without unlocking. Fujifilm XS20. The EVF is a game changer for precise composition in bright light, but it's small and lower res compared to Pro bodies. The tilting LCD is great for vlogging selfies. Winner: iPhone 17 Pro for immersive, high brightness viewing. XS20 for traditional optical light composition via EVF. iPhone 17 Pro, triple 48 megapixel sensors, main fusion, ultra wide, telephoto with 5x optical zoom, up to 8x on Pro Max variant. 128-inch main sensor size. Computational magic like deep fusion, night mode, and photonic engine deliver stunning low light performance and HDR. Supports ProRAW HEAF for editing. Dynamic range is excellent, at 14 stops, but it's processed heavily for ready-to-share JPEGs. Colors are neutral and lifelike. Fujifilm XS20, 26.1 APS-C X-Trans BSI CMOS4 sensor, 23.5 GHz 15.6mm, much larger than iPhones. Paired with BUX Processor 5, it offers 14+ stops dynamic range, superior low-light noise handling, ISO up to 51,200 native, and uncompressed RAW. Fujifilm's film simulations, e.g. Velvia for vibrant landscapes, Acros for B&O, provide unique film-emulating JPEG straight out of camera. No editing needed. However, it lacks the iPhone's aggressive AI sharpening. Performance notes. In blind tests, the XS20 edges out in natural bokeh, detail in shadows by highlights, and print quality up to 24 by 36 inches. The iPhone wins for convenience in mixed lighting but can over-sharpen or compress details in RAW exports. Winner, XS20 for raw image quality and creative flexibility, iPhone for effortless polished results. 4. Lens and versatility, iPhone 17 Pro. Fixed triple camera system, 24mm main f1.6, 13mm ultra wide f2.2, 120mm telephoto f2.8, digital zoom up to 15x. No interchangeable lenses, but macro mode and LiDAR autofocus enable sharp close-ups. Fujifilm XS20, interchangeable X-mount lenses, e.g. XF 18 to 55mm f2.8 to 4 kit to 800 extra. Aperture control down to f1.2 primes for creamy bokeh. Telephotos up to 200mm plus equivalents. 7-stop IBS, in-body stabilization, pairs with lens OIS for handheld sharpness. Winner, XS20 by a landslide for lens options and optical quality. iPhone suffices for most without extras. 5. Autofocus and performance. iPhone 17 Pro, LiDAR plus AI-driven phase detection AF tracks subjects, people, pets, vehicles, with 99% accuracy, even in low light. Burst shooting at 20 FPS, zero shutter lag. Fujifilm XS20, improved subject detection, humans, animals, birds, vehicles, with 435-point phase detect AF. Covers 100% of the frame but trails Sony-style Canon in sticky tracking for fast action. 8 FPS mechanical shutter, 30 FPS electronic. Winner, iPhone 17 Pro for speed and reliability in dynamic scenes. XS20 is solid for stills but less set it and forget it. iPhone and 17 Pro excels in stabilized cinematic video with easy editing in iOS apps. Great for social media vlogs. Fujifilm XS20. Vlog mode simplifies setup. Open gate recording for flexible cropping. Outputs raw honey to external recorders for pro workflows. iPhone 17 Pro. 4,500mm equivalent. Up to 33 hours video playback. MagSafe wireless, 15W QI2, 30W wired. ESIM models have larger batteries. Fujifilm XS20 NPW235 battery, up to 750 shots, CIPA, 325 in video. USB-C charging, compatible with cooling fan for extended video. iPhone 17 Pro, A19 Pro chip powers Apple Intelligence, AI editing Siri and enhancements. 12 GB RAM, up to 2 TB storage. Seamless integration with AirPods, Mac, iCloud. Camera control button for quick access. Fujifilm XS20, 20 film simulations. Wireless transfer via Fujifilm X app. No built-in compute power like iPhone, but excels in JPEG creativity. Expandable via lenses or filters. Storage, connectivity. iPhone, Wi-Fi 7, 5G, XS20, dual UHS-2 SD slots. Bluetooth or Wi-Fi 5. iPhone 17 Pro, 1,099 to 1,256 GB but one. Includes phone OS, apps, and camera in one. Fujifilm XS20, 1,000 body, $1,599 with XF 18 to 55mm lens. Lenses add $300, $1,500 each. Value: iPhone offers more bang for buck as a multi-tool. XS20 justifies cost for photo enthusiasts. Which one is the best choice? It depends on you, but for most users in 2095, the iPhone 17 Pro is the best overall choice. Its computational prowess delivers professional-grade photos and video without the learning curve or extra gear, making it ideal for casual shooters, travelers, or anyone needing a phone anyway. The larger battery, brighter display, and AI features make it a no-brainer upgrade from older iPhones, outperforming the XS20 in convenience and low-light snaps. However, if photography is your passion, or you're tired of phone cameras feeling gimmicky, go for the Fujifilm XS20. Its bigger sensor, lens ecosystem, and film simulations unlock creative depths the iPhone can't match, especially for prints, portraits, or deliberate shooting. It's a hobbyist's dream that encourages experimentation, and at similar pricing, with a lens, it's a worthwhile investment for joy over utility. If you're upgrading from an older phone and want wow factor without bulk, start with the iPhone. For a dedicated camera to complement your phone, the XS20 will transform your workflow. Test both in store. Handling the XS20's grip might seal the deal.